Okay, guys, we will now cook fish. Okay, let's wash the stones first to make a stove. Heat the fire, cut the fish. Clean it. Cut the fish into small pieces. Add the spices, mash. Then sprinkle with oil and pepper. Add butter, eggs, and flour. Mix well and make bread. Cut the onion into small pieces. Wash the tomatoes, cut the tomatoes. Chop up other herbs and make a salad. Take the bread from earlier, then cut it into pieces. Roll the bread out until thin and then bake it until it explodes. Take the fish from earlier, then we fry it. Add chili sauce and salad. Then we eat it with rice.